Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people are interested in, Deel wire transfers. Deel is a great platform for paying international contractors and employees. It's easy to set up and use, and it's much cheaper than traditional wire transfers. But how much does it cost to use Deel for a wire transfer? That's what I'm going to answer in this video. I'll also go over some of the other features of Deel, such as its currency exchange rates, its security features, its customer support. So, let's get started. What is Deel? Deel is a global payroll and payments platform that makes it easy to pay international contractors and employees. It's a great option for businesses of all sizes, and it's especially useful for startups and small businesses that don't have the resources to set up their own international payroll system. How does Deel work? Deel works by setting up a virtual account for your company in the country where your contractor or employee is located. This account is then linked to your Deel account, which allows you to easily make payments to your contractors and employees. Deel's fees. Deel charges a fee for each wire transfer that you make. The fee is based on the amount of the transfer and the currency that you're sending. Here's a breakdown of Deel's wire transfer fees. Amount. The fee is based on the amount of the transfer. The larger the amount, the lower the fee. Currency. The fee is also based on the currency that you're sending. Transfers to some currencies are more expensive than others. Processing time. Deel also charges a fee for processing your wire transfer. The fee is based on how quickly you want the transfer to be processed. Here are some examples of Deel's wire transfer fees. For a transfer of $1,000 USD to Euro, the fee is $10. For a transfer of $10,000 USD to Euro, the fee is $20. For a transfer of $100,000 USD to Euro, the fee is $50. Deel's currency exchange rates. Deel offers competitive currency exchange rates. This means that you'll get a good deal when you use Deel to send money internationally. Deel's security features. Deel takes security very seriously. They use a number of security measures to protect your data and your funds. These security measures include two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, regular security audits. Deel's customer support. Deel has a great customer support team. They're available 24/7 to answer your questions and help you with any problems you may have. Overall, Deel is a great option for businesses that need to make international wire transfers. It's easy to set up and use, and it's much cheaper than traditional wire transfers. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable way to send money internationally, I highly recommend Deel. With that said, thanks for watching.